Welcome back to our series all about creating an influencer media kit with Wix. In this video, we're going to be creating a contact section so potential collaborators will be able to contact you with ease. We will also learn how to link our contact section or contact forms onto our call to action buttons. So let's get started. On the Wix editor, go to the Add Section button. Go to Contact and select from their templates. Choose a clean, modern layout, and keep in mind, simple and professional designs usually work best for sponsors. In my case, I'd like to use this one. So we're going to drag and drop it onto our page. And you can use the arrow keys or arrow buttons over here, to move your section up or down, depending on where you would like it to be placed. First, let's change its background. So I'm going to change it to something else. Now work on your texts here. Change the title if you want to, and change its design as well, according to your preferences. Also, make sure to input the correct information here. You don't want to miss any opportunities, so go ahead and input your own information. Edit its style or design as well if you need to. If you have a social media bar, it's very important that you set your social links, so click on it and click on Set Social Links. Select a platform you'd like to work on first. Click here, and then input your page's URL over here. Don't forget to click on Done, and do the same thing for the others until you finish inputting all of your links on these icons. Now let's talk about our form. At minimum, you're going to need fields such as the name, the email, as well as the message. You can also add a field like company name or collaboration type if you want more details up front. If you want to do that, click on your form and click on Add New Field. On the Contact Fields tab, add a field like company name or just company, and then click on the Add button. The new field should successfully be added to your contact form. You can also rearrange your form elements within your form, just like that. And your contact form is set. By the way, the email that you used in creating your Wix account will be the email that's going to be used in receiving your notifications from this form. And since we're done working on our contact section, it's time for us to properly link it to our call to action button. So we're going to look for our call to action button. This one, for example, we're going to click on it. Now click on the link button from the floating menu. Select section or anchor. On this drop-down, make sure to select homepage or the page that you're currently on. And on this drop-down, make sure to select the contact section and then click on Done. Now every time a potential client or collaborator clicks on this, they will directly be taken to your contacts section. Don't forget to click on Save to save your progress. And that's it. With a well-designed contact section, you can make it easy for brands to reach out and, more importantly, increase the chances of getting real opportunities. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss the next step. See you guys in the next video, and thanks so much for watching.